How to create fact channel at YouTube. Creating a fact channel on YouTube can be an exciting venture. To help you get started, here are some steps to follow. 1. Determine your niche. Choose a specific area of interest for your fact channel. It could be science, history, technology, trivia, or any other subject that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. 2. Research and gather facts. Spend time gathering interesting and accurate facts related to your chosen niche. Use reliable sources, books, scholarly articles, and credible websites to ensure the information you present is accurate and up to date. 3. Plan your content. Develop a content strategy and create a plan for your videos. Decide on the format, such as list-style videos, in-depth explanations, or quick fact compilations. Consider what kind of visuals, graphics, or animations you'll use to enhance the delivery of information. 4. Set up your YouTube channel, sign into YouTube with a Google account, and then click on your profile picture in the top right corner to access the YouTube studio. Follow the instructions to create your channel, choose a name, and customize the branding elements, such as a channel banner and logo. 5. Create high-quality videos. Invest in good video and audio equipment to ensure your content looks and sounds professional. Use video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or iMovie to edit your videos, add text overlays, graphics, and transitions. 6. Craft compelling titles and thumbnails. Pay attention to your video titles and thumbnails, as they play a crucial role in attracting viewers. Make sure they accurately represent the content and are visually appealing to grab the attention of potential viewers. 7. Upload and optimize your videos. Upload your videos to YouTube and optimize them for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos rank higher in search results. Include timestamps and chapter markers to make it easier for viewers to navigate your videos. 8. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and engage with your viewers. Building a community around your channel is essential for growth and fostering a loyal audience. 9. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms, relevant forums, and other online communities to increase your channel's visibility. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach new audiences and cross-promote each other's content. 10. Analyze and refine. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to gain insights into your audience's preferences, demographics, and engagement metrics. Use this information to refine your content strategy and improve the quality of your videos. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Consistently create high-quality content, stay true to your niche, and interact with your viewers to grow your fact channel over time. Good luck.